Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So let me ask you something. How many email newsletters are you subscribed to right now? Let's say for example that like 5, 10, 50, and be honest. How many of them do you actually read? Probably, basically you are reading nothing, just scrolling through them. So I will go first by explaining the situation since I subscribe to dozens of newsletters, but in my inbox, total disaster. So you won't be able to see the important updates since they get buried under promotions. Time sensitive news get lost in the noise, and half the time I'm marking things as read just to clear the notification badge. Not because I actually consume the content. So here's the thing. Newsletters are kind of valuable, but email is a terrible place to read them. So Feedly has always a solution for you. According to their official documentation again, Feedly can ingest email newsletters directly into your feeds. You get a custom Feedly email address. You use the address to subscribe to newsletters, and then every newsletter issue shows up in Feedly as a readable article. Or I would say article. So, how to do so, and what you need to know first. According to the Feedly's support, this feature is part of their Pro Plus and Enterprise plan. So make sure you are fully subscribed there. For free, there is basically no newsletter following. If you want basically this Pro Plus, you have to pay for it, then you can easily access it. There is no magic to do so, and that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.